Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46 guys. This is the 3 Series from year 1998 to year 2006. We'll show you guys, where to find bank 1 and bank 2 on a straight 6-cylinder engine. This straight 6 is used on BMW 320i. It's used on 323i, 325i, 328i, 330i, and also on the 6-cylinder diesel engine 330D. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing guys. We'll show you where bank 1 and bank 2 is located. You will need to know that guys for oxygen sensors, because you have one oxygen sensor for bank 1, one for bank 2. You will need to know that for fuel trims, for adjustment, quite a few things guys, so it's very important information. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. In addition, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you guys what we're talking about here. So we have a 2005 BMW here with the M54 straight 6-cylinder engine, but that same engine guys being used, same design from early like 1998 all the way to 2006, and even later on the new 3 Series. So what I did guys, I removed the valve, the ignition coil cover right here. This cover has two caps that you need to open, and underneath you have two nuts with 10mm socket, and you will need to remove your oil cap so you can pull that thing out and install it. And also I removed, right here, this is the cover for the fuel injectors, and also guys the cover for the oxygen sensors right here. So what do we guys need to do now? Looking at the engine that way, it's cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys, 6 cylinders, and bank 1 guys is cylinder 1, 2 and 3. This is bank 1 for first 3 cylinders. Bank 2 is second 3 cylinders, 4, 5 and 6. Now imagine that your engine is divided in two, right in the middle of it. The first half is bank 1, second half is bank 2. And you have the oxygen sensor for bank 1 here, oxygen sensor for bank 2 over there. And if you need to access the wiring harness for the oxygen sensors, all that is here guys. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you trying to figure out which side is bank 1, bank 2. We'll guys again have more than 200 videos on this car. Also we'll have quite a few mechanical videos on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Please guys check them out, quite a bit of helpful information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.